Looking to make money taking surveys? Online surveys offer an easy way to earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals. Explore top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, Free Cash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site comes with different availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey sites, consider factors such as reputation, number of surveys available, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, taking advantage of free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Follow best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Be wary of warning signs indicating potentially illegitimate survey sites, including membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and difficult qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate and typically take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies value your input and pay individuals to participate in surveys for market research and consumer feedback. Start making money with online surveys today.